Hi there, I'm Mrs. Heisey, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the drill press to drill holes through our hanging signs. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have all your pieces ready. They need to be the same exact size of our drill bit or a little bit smaller. If it's too large, you're not going to be able to drill a hole going all the way through your piece of material. So easy way to check that is bring your material over, bring it next to the drill press. Make sure that you can see on the very bottom that there's a little bit of that drill press that's going, or the drill bit that will be sticking out. And if you do have it like that, you're great, you're good to go. If it does not, then we have to make an adjustment to the size of your pieces that you're gonna have for the hanging sign. All right, next thing I wanna do is make sure that I can get my material underneath my drill bit. If you see right here, I can't. So what I need to do is I need to adjust my table. Now there is a part over here, a little crank. We can just crank this down, and we want to just hold our material here until we reach underneath. The drill bit can reach on top of our material. So now that I have that, I also want to make sure now if I drill that my drill bit is going to go all the way through, which it will. So I'm good to go there. So I need to make all my I need to check everything before I actually start to do things. Then I'm going to, I need to make sure I have a board underneath my material. Now the boards that we have a nice little 90-degree corner in the back here. So that can help support my hand. Get all the working material off your table. Line up exactly where you would like your drill bit to drill a hole through. And if you're doing this by yourself, you're gonna wanna use a clamp to hold our board in place. It really works nice if you have somebody to help you out where they can help hold the material and you could just use the plunge handle. But right now it's just me, so I'm going to clamp my material to the table. All right, I have it nice and clamped on there, nice and tight. I'm gonna use, move this over here a little bit. Tighten it up. Now, when you do this, again, just double check before you tighten anything that the drill bit's exactly where you want it to go. Have it nice and tight. Make sure you have your safety glasses. And what I'm going to do is I just turn this on and I need to hold my material in place. Okay, use one hand nice and tightly to hold it in place. Turn the other one on. So, and you'll be standing straight in front of the drill press. I'm kind of off to the side so you guys can see. Okay, I'll raise and lower it so I get all that stuff out of the material. Make sure you go all the way through, holding your material nice and tight. Once you have it all done, turn it off, wait for it to stop. Then I'm going to go ahead, check, made my hole going through the top and the bottom exactly where I would like it to go. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do another one. Now this point when you do your second one, it might line up perfectly, which mine were all exactly the same size and I want the hole in the exact same spot. So it does. You might have to adjust your board underneath. Mine is there, so we'll do it again. Turn it on. Make sure you keep your hands and fingers away from the moving parts. Again, wait for it to stop. There we go. So now I have two holes drilled through here. This is where my wire is going to go to connect my pieces together for my hanging sign if I wanted my sign like this. If you want your sign side by side, you would go through them sideways. All right. If you have any questions or need any help, make sure you ask the teacher for help.